So guys, if you are willing to switch from your official WhatsApp to Aero WhatsApp, then today this video I'm going to tell you each and every single feature of latest Aero WhatsApp version 8.93. Before starting the video, I need to show you one thing. Click on it. On the top you will have the three dots. Click on three dots. Click on Aero privileges. On the bottom you will see about. Click on it. You will see the latest version is 8.93. Let's go back and let us check out another. It is the latest version or not. For that, click on updates. Click on check off updates. You will have the message that you have the latest WhatsApp Aero update. Don't forget to check it. Let's go back. You want to check it out that what was the last time when this application got the update. Click on this. You can see here last update was 8.93. It is created by Hazar Buskert and the last update given by the creator is 7 August 2021. Today in this video we are going to talk about A to Z features of this application. Before starting the video, I have to tell you one thing very clear. This video is only for the educational purpose. So make sure when you visit any website or you download this application, please download it at your own risk. Because I have told you that this video is just for the educational purpose, so I'm going to tell you A to Z features of latest Aero WhatsApp version 8.93. So let us start the video and let us check out A to Z features. So if you open this application, you can see that by the looks it is quite same as other mode versions are there, like as GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp or Yo WhatsApp. There is not much changes, but there is a lot to be added. A lot of features are there which are not available, I believe, in GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp or Yo WhatsApp. And thereafter you can see here the three dots. Click on three dots. You can find here voice changer option is available and lock conversion option is also available. So both the options are working very well. One thing you can see here that the same is the DP. You may say the profile picture is the same and the wallpaper is the same. And it is almost in every chat you can see that this is the profile picture and the same is the wallpaper. So you don't need to apply wallpaper. Whatever the profile picture is there, it will be converted automatically to the wallpaper. So profile picture to the wallpaper, this feature is also very cool, available in this application. Let us talk about another features. Click on it and you can see here the custom privacy option is available. You can enable hide blue ticks, hide second ticks, hide blue microphone. So these options are available. If you want, you can utilize it. Let's go back. If you want to hide the contact name, you can use it. You want to enable security for this, you can use it. You don't want any calls from this contact particularly, you can enable it. Contact online toast for a single particular person is also available. If you want, you can enable it. Similarly, for notifications, some options are shown here. You want to apply it, you can apply it. Let's go back and let us talk about another features. If we talk about another features, on the top you can see that here the DND option is available. Similarly, the light mode and dark mode option is available. Search box is available. You want to download, you want to use it, you can use it. On the top, three dots are there. By this option you can schedule messages, like as you don't want to wake up till late night and you want to schedule messages and you want that message should be sent itself when the time is set, like as 12 till 12 o'clock at night. You want to send a message to anyone at night 12 o'clock and you just want to record it right now, set a time, and by the recorded time your message will be sent automatically. Second option is here. You can see that auto reply. If any one of your friend is making message to you and you are unable to reply the message, the system generated message will be sent to him that you are unable to receive or you are unable to answer him. So if you use this option is available. Restart WhatsApp, what would happen? Your application will be restarted. You don't want to save any contact number and you want to make message to him. So this feature will work, message and number. Similarly, you want to create a new group. You want to create a new broadcast. You want to check it out that in which laptop or PC your Aero WhatsApp has been logged in. So you can click on it and you can check it out. Similarly, you have bookmarked any message. You can check out from the start messages. By the payment option, you can send money, you can receive money, but for that you need to add any UPI application here, UPI ID here. By the setting option, you can basically scroll the official version features of WhatsApp. Let us talk about another features. On the top, three dots are there. You can see here Aero privileges. Click on it. By the first option, you can enable advanced privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter, you can check it out. Freeze last seen option is available. Disable forwarded tag is available. Who can call you? You can also set that, like as here, the by default 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 options are there. If you use official GB WhatsApp, then only 3 options are there. But in this version, you have 2 extra options. What are those 2 extra options? My contact accepts and select contacts. You want a particular contact, he can make you call only. You can use this option also. Let's go back and let us talk about another features here. You can enable hide view status. You can enable anti-delete status. You can also enable anti-delete messages. Show blue ticks after reply. So you can enable these all options here. Similarly, you can see here the WhatsApp lock feature is available. You wanna enable app lock, like as anyone is willing to open this application. For that, he or she have to follow the security pattern. What you set is fingerprint lock, pattern or pin. Whatever you want, you can set from here. Let's go back. Let us talk about Aero themes. Unlimited themes are there. Click on it, download, and without sharing theme to anybody, you can directly use it if you use this application. Similarly, you want to make some changes. You have applied any theme and now you want to restore it, delete all the saved, reset preferences. These options are here, can be used. Let us talk about universal settings. Everything is given category wise. All the color options can be made changes here. Styles, you want to enable font style, click on it, and thereafter you will see a lot of font styles are shown. You can choose any of font style and thereafter your style will be changed. Launcher icon you can change by this option also. Notification icon you can change by this option also. Go back. You want to hide media files sent or received on Aero WhatsApp. You can do it from here. Any of your friend is sending a photo to you and you don't want that photo should be shown on gallery, then you can enable photos option. This one, it will be hidden from the gallery. Similarly, videos, it will be hidden from the gallery, and GIFs, it will be hidden from the gallery if you enable it. Now here you can see that the backup and restore. The sad news is that if you use Aero WhatsApp this version, then you will not be able to take backup on cloud storage. Only you can take backup on your device, on your phone storage. This is quite disappointment. So if your device is lost, your data will be lost itself. Let's talk about another features. Go back. Here you can see that the setting option is available. Click on it. Once when you click on it, you can see here multiple options are shown here. So you can read and you can apply. Like as you want a conversation card enable, you can enable it. Heads up notifications and many more options are there. You want to always show yourself online, you can enable this option also. You want to increase the forward limit, you can do it from here. Disable image share limit, you can enable from here. So these all the cool features are available here. By this option you can do it. Now you can see the home screen option. Header option, you want to make changes, you can make changes by the clicking on it. You can see this is called the header option. You can make changes according to yourself. Similarly, go back. Rows you want to make changes in, you can make changes using rows option. Floating action button, status option, please you can make changes from here. So these options are very cool and you can utilize it according to your choice. You can see that all the options which are available on official GB, they are available, and more than that a lot of extra features are also given here. Go back. Let us talk about conversation screen. Click on it. Action bar. What is called action bar exactly? This is called action bar. So you can see here if you want to make changes in your action bar, like as hide contact profile picture, this one, enable this. Your name, this one, enable this. Call button you want to hide, this one, enable this option. You want to disable contact status, from here, enable this. So here you can make all the changes which are required in the action bar. Go back. Bubbles and ticks, what does it mean exactly? If any of your friend is sending message to you, that message is shown always on the left side. You send a message, is shown on the right side. You can see that the background is white and the color of the text is black. Similarly here, you can see the color of the text is black and the background is quite greenish. You must not say that pure green, but greenish. You want to make changes here, you can make it. Let me show you how. Right bubble color here. This one is right bubble color, this one background, and this one is left bubble color. You want to make changes here, you can make changes here. You want to change the text color, you can change text color here. You can see that the right chat bubble text color, it is by default black. You can click and you can change it from here. So please make sure that you use these features carefully, otherwise you may have some problems related to that. Let us talk about another features. You want to make changes in pictures. What are the exactly mean of these? If anyone apply any DP, if he or she send a message to me, the message will also come to us, but also his profile picture. Like as example, you can see here, not this one exactly, this one I'll show you. Here you can see that the message sent to me is shown here and also his profile picture. Similarly, I send a message to anyone, my profile picture. So here you may say that the experience of chatting increases if you use this feature. Click on and thereafter go to the conversation screen. So you can do this all here. These options are available. You can utilize that. Similarly, you can see here the profile picture wallpaper. These both options are quite interesting, can be used. If you enable these both options, what would happen? If anyone apply any profile picture, that profile picture will be converted to the wallpaper for yourself. Like as I shown you in the beginning, what happens when I open any, here you can see that the profile picture, similarly the wallpaper. Go back, profile picture and the wallpaper. So if you use this feature, you will be able to do this all. Conversation screen. So I hope you will like this application, but as I told you in the beginning, that use this application at your own risk. This video is only made for the education purpose, just to inform you the features of this application. In next video I'm going to tell you, because Aero Insta is also available. Let me show you. Aero Everywhere. Click on it. Aero also provides you Aero Insta, Aero WhatsApp, Aero Twitter. So if you want to use Aero Insta, what features you will get, I'll share in the next video. I'll upload and I'll tell you, if you download Aero Insta, what features you are going to get. This is all about today. If you would like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that if we upload any video, you get the notification first. This is all about today. Very soon we'll see again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.